almost been a year, but I am finally back out here in Kempner, Texas. Kalashnikov, September 2023. And of course, you're looking at the beautiful stage one. Back out here with Jim, proud and happy to see that he's still out here doing this, and everybody's coming through and having a good time. None of that bullshit, none of that dumb shit. We all being safe, shooting guns, and trying to get better. So it was a good time, and I got into squad one. Never been in squad one before, but it was good people. Even AK guy, Brandon Herrera was in there shooting a scar. But hey, you know what I'm saying? You do what you want to do. But we had a good time, and I ain't really gonna talk a lot. I'm gonna let everything just play out. But make sure if you can get out here, get yourself out here. It is very fun. Only $35. 5 stages. The first stage is a warm-up, and then you got the shoot house, and then you got the other 3. And you can shoot what you want. Just be good. And if you ain't good, get good. Know what I'm saying? Yeah.
So when you go up there, pick up the gun, say shooter ready, after standby, and then you fire. You can aim. You understand the rest of the course? I just noticed the belt. You're doing great. Oh, yeah, All right, shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Shooter, stand by.
That is an amazing video. I recommend anybody watch it.
High. Definitely high. Hit. There it is.
So on this stage, head shots, neck shots, no chest shots. That's why you had the plate, or the black marking, because if you shot that, then that meant that you did not neutralize the target. Stage 2, gotta throw a shovel at a target, hit the target, and then engage the other targets. But on the barricades, there's a block that you have to shoot from the barricade. Gun has to touch the barricade. And I want you to watch this. I'm going to tell you something that's going to happen. But I'm going to let you watch it first.
Stand by.
Yeah, as they're rushing like to get them out, and anything fast.
Good enough.
On the rear end of a massacre.
Yeah, they're like $10.
Oh, I'm sure. Yeah, I mean, it's like ball joints, action.
Hit.
All right. Those last 2 shots that I took burnt a hole through my glove, and at that point I thought I fucked my fingers up. It felt like a hammer slammed on my finger. So when I felt that pain, I didn't engage the last target. So I left the man living because I thought something happened to my fingers. That's not how I wanted. That's when I was planning out how I was gonna do it. That's not how I planned on doing it at that time. So yeah, but stage 3 is self-explanatory. You can just see it. You'll see what it's all about.
It's a good idea. I mean, like
Look, now it's fun.
I had a CQSA one years back.
I know everybody's stand by.
It shows. It digs it up so fast. If I'm going to get a new SIG import, I might as well take care of it more. Yeah, that one's pretty nice too.
Oh yeah, that was my best. That was the best stage I had that day. You know what I'm saying? So good, fast, nice, clean, good shit. Start in the box, pop a wood block, run to the tanker, pop something, run to the next box, pop something, and then you just keep going. Each thing that you pop, you gotta run and shoot. So one shot and then move, one shot and then move. Can't take two shots in the same. You can't hit two targets in the same position. So for stage 4, the final stage is you have 3 targets. You gotta each of them have to get a headshot, 3 in the body, and then 1 in the torso. Now, oh man, the thing you would think that with prescription glasses on, you can still see your shots. However, not the daggone case.
Shooter, are you ready? You know what? Yes. All right, shooter, stand by. It's up to you. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's too late now. It's too late now. Sorry. You're good. You're good. You're good. It was one of those, like, if you make it up really quickly, it's worth it. If you wait too long, it's not. Sorry, we started yelling and got y'all confused. It happens. It was bad. It's 1742? 1724. 24. Okay. All right.
So they were able to see that I had missed a shot on the last one for the torso. But if you miss a shot, that's 10 seconds. But it was like The Price is Right, where you have all these folks yelling at you, saying you know telling you what to do, and I'm like, oh shit. Well, let me go ahead and take this last shot. So yeah, if I would have took a 10-second penalty, I would have been faster. But other than that, man, I had a good time. I had used the AK-103 that I have a lot of JMac stuff on it, and I used my KS-47. A lot of fun. Hey, but until next time, which will be in October. See you ass there. Yep.